Okay, for today, our lesson is not going to take, our video lesson is not going to take the entire time. It's just going to be used to introduce the activity. Okay, por hoy, tú no vas a mirar un video por todo de la clase. Este es solamente porque es importante que yo puedo introducir la actividad por hoy. Okay, so when you are all done with the video, you're going to close your computer and then you're going to try the activity with the graphs. Okay? Por hoy, cuando tú termines este video, tú vas a cerrar tu computadora y tú vas a tratar la actividad tu actividad con gráficos. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what you're doing today. So in math, you're going to watch this video, which you're already doing, and then you're going to complete the activity. This afternoon in science, and this slide will be up, you're going to watch the video 2 times about erosion, take a quiz, and you're going to make a really good map. I want a map with lots of details and some pictures and some videos in there. And then I've assigned something to do after it, okay? So esta tarde, en ciencia, tú vas a mirar el video de Brain Pop y este sobre erosion. Y entonces tú necesitas mirar este video 2 veces. Y entonces tú necesitas tomar el cuestionario. Y entonces tú necesitas hacer una mapa. Y entonces lo siento, pero este programa es solamente en inglés. Pero tú puedes tratar y tú puedes escribir palabras en español. O tú puedes usar imágenes y cosas como este desde el programa. Okay, y entonces después de este hay un juego. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the review question for today. So the review question for today had the coordinate 2, 4. And I wanted this reflected, so the reflection over the x-axis. So the first thing I like to do is just kind of visualize what the x-axis looks like. So I'm going to put this way and this way. Okay, remember that this right here is the x-axis. This is the y. So 2, 4 would be about 2 and then up 4, somewhere around here. Okay? Now, if I'm going over the x-axis, okay, yo necesito la reflexión de x, okay? This is x, este es x. So I want this to move. This point, which I would say is to about 2, 4, I do not want it over the y. Okay, yo no quiero esto porque este no es x. Okay, because this is an x. I want it to move this way. So it's going to end somewhere over here. Okay, so now I have to decide what is the name of the point. Okay, y qué es el nombre de este punto. Okay, and so I have to think which is going to change. ¿Cuál va a cambiar? The 2 or the 4? Well, I'm still to the right. Okay, I'm still going to the right. So this one, the first one, the x-axis, that's not going to change. That's going to stay the same. Este va a quedar mismo. But instead of going up, I am going to go down. Okay? Yo no voy a ir arriba, yo voy a ir debajo. Y entonces, este es negativo 4. Okay, so this one is negative 4. So I need the opposite. So 4 to 0, 0 to negative 4. I need the opposite of the y. So remember, when I'm going over the x, the y does the opposite, the x stays the same. If I'm going over the y, the x is going to do the opposite and the y will stay the same. Okay? So the answer to this one, la respuesta es 2, negativo 4. or 2 menos 4. 2, negative 4. Okay, and that is the answer to our review question. Esta es la respuesta a la pregunta por esta mañana. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at our packet. Okay, so the guest teacher handed out this packet. You have had experience with this before, okay? This isn't the first time, but this one has 4 quadrants, okay? So let's look at the first one. The first thing is I have all these different numbers, okay? So, por este tú necesitas hacer una imagen y entonces tú necesitas usar este gráfico aquí y tú vas a poner estos puntos a este gráfico. Okay, so you're going to put all these points on the graph. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I really see my X and Y axis, okay? So I'm going to draw over these lines, okay? So necesitas dibujar a estas líneas. Okay, so you need to draw on these lines. Okay, this is the origin. Okay, so right here, este es 0, 0. This is 0, 0. And now I'm going to look at my first point. Okay, my first point is negative 9, negative 12. Negative 9, negative 12. My first number, mi primer número, va a decirme si yo voy a ir a derecha o izquierda. Okay, so my first number tells me whether I'm going right or left, and my second number tells me I'm going up or down. So I have negative 9, so I'm going to go to the left. So negative 9 a la izquierda. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. No es 10. Es 12 debajo. Y entonces yo tengo 12 aquí y 9. Okay, ese es mi primer punto. Okay, that's my first point. Now I'm going to cross that one off. Now I have negative 5, negative 3. So I'm still going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 down. Y negativo 3. 1, 2, 3. Negativo 3. Okay? Now, I'm going to see if it says stop. Si yo tengo la palabra stop, or necesitas parar. Okay? But there isn't. There's not the word stop. So I'm going to connect them. Si tú no tienes la palabra stop, tú vas a conectar las líneas, okay? Now I'm going to use like a straight edge, but I don't, it's a little hard to do on mine, so I'm going to connect those, okay? Now I'm going to continue. Okay, negative 11, 3. So I have negative 11, 3. So negative 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But this time, I'm going to go up 3 because it's positive. 1, 2, 3. I'm in quadrant 2. Now, there isn't, no hay la palabra stop. No, there isn't the word stop. So I'm going to connect. Porque yo no tengo la palabra stop or parar. Yo voy a conectar. Okay? So I'm going to continue until I finish. Okay? Yo voy a continuar. When I finish that one, I'm going to try the next one. Y entonces, cuando tú termine esto, tú vas a tratar esto. Pero aquí, tú tienes la palabra stop. Okay? Y entonces es importante que tú necesitas parar. Y entonces, cuando tú tienes stop, tú no vas a conectar esto y este. ¿Ok? Tú vas a empezar aquí. ¿Ok? Tú vas a empezar aquí hasta aquí. Y entonces tú no vas a conectar este a este. Y tú vas a empezar aquí hasta aquí. Tú vas a parar otra vez. Y entonces tú vas a conectar solamente estos. Okay, so you're going to start with 1, 4. Keep connecting until you get to 1, 11. Then you're going to stop. and you're going to start again. So don't connect these, okay? You're not going to connect those. You are going to start again, and you're going to continue until you get to here. Then you're going to stop, and then you'll connect just this one and this one, okay? They get harder. Each one's a little bit harder. If you finish all of them, si tú terminas todas de las actividades, tú puedes color. You can color them. You can use your group drawer. Tú puedes usar tu caja por tu grupo, and you can color them. You will be turning these in at the end of class. Tú necesitas entregarlos a la terminar la clase. Okay? Good luck, and you can ask a group mate for help if you need to, but please work hard, show our guest teacher respect, and show them the awesome group that you are in 6K. Okay, good job, good luck, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Okay, buena suerte. Y, no tomorrow, no mañana, porque tú no tienes escuela mañana. Okay, so I'll see you on Monday. Hasta lunes. Okay, adios.